An AI website builder, e-commerce tools, SEO features, and even a free domain, all that at just $1 a month? It sounds too good to be true, but that's exactly what the IONOS website builder is offering. How good it truly is, though, I'm going to answer exactly that by covering IONOS website builder pros and cons. All right, with that kind of deal, there's always a catch, right? So let me explain exactly what you get with IONOS website builder plans and how it works. IONOS grabs attention with its headline offer of a website builder for just $1 per month. That price is real and it lasts for 12 months. After that, there is a renewal price jump, but to be fair, that kind of pricing model is standard in the industry. IONOS just has the lowest introductory price. So the plans themselves are straightforward. Starter covers the basics, Plus adds more storage and AI tools, and Pro unlocks unlimited pages with advanced analytics and SEO. All bundles include a domain, SSL, and business email, making them an excellent value at the start. Now, while IONOS is the cheapest website builder up front and includes a lot in its bundles, it's also known for upselling and offering upgrades even when you don't need them. So if you just don't buy upgrades whenever they ask, the value can be amazing, especially with my discount that you can grab by scanning this QR code or clicking the link in the description. By the way, IONOS' website builder comes with a free domain included in every plan. And yes, it really is free, though only for the first year. Now, that's a big benefit since domains usually cost 10 to 15 annually, which means the domain alone can be worth more than the entire first year of IONOS' bundle. You also get a professional email address linked to your domain, giving your site instant credibility without extra hassle or cost. The advantage is clear. You save money and manage everything. Website, hosting, domain, SSL, and email, all of that in one place. Now, when choosing a best website builder, price isn't everything though. Security has to come first. Otherwise, no point in bothering, right? Now, IONOS does a pretty solid job of covering the essentials. Every plan includes a free wildcard SSL certificate, which can be hundreds of dollars elsewhere. I mean, these are SSLs that corporations and large e-commerce companies use. So on top of that, two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of login protection. IONOS is also fully GDPR compliant, which means customer data is handled under strict European privacy standards, and its reliable data centers are designed with strong safeguards to keep websites online and secure. For most individuals and small businesses, these measures are more than enough. The limitations only become relevant for large enterprises or organizations that need advanced compliance like HIPAA in healthcare. All right, so now that we know it's safe, cheap, and all that, let's take a look at the builder itself. So IONOS' My Website Now is the company's streamlined website builder, and it gives you two ways to get started. Let AI create a site for you, or build one yourself from templates. So the AI option is the faster route. It's designed for beginners who, don't have coding or design background and just want to get something online as quickly as possible. So if you'd rather take the reins yourself, you can pick from templates and customize them with pre-designed themes, color palettes, and fonts. It's not as expansive as some competitors with around 30 templates in total, while Hostinger, for instance, boasts over 150 templates, and Squarespace has around 190. That said, these IONOS templates cover most needs for small businesses and personal sites. You can rearrange sections, tweak layouts, and add your own elements. The control panel is also simple and clean. It doesn't try to dazzle with flashy design, and it works. Now, the editor comes with handy extras like royalty-free images, mobile optimization, and AI tools that can generate or improve text and create images on the fly, as well as write SEO for you. Now, the real strength lies in its AI-powered setup. The AI wizard is really easy to use, it saves time, and gets you a polished site in minutes, which is more than enough for someone starting a blog or portfolio or small business site. Now, the editor can feel a bit limited if you're looking for deep design, flexibility, or advanced customization. It really does feel basic. Yes, there is an option to go with a drag and drop editor, a kind of similar one to what Hostinger offers. Still, I'd like to see more design options, especially because I find some of the existing options a bit, childish. I mean, what are these zigzag or dripping shape themes, right? Also, I swear I've seen all of those in the Elementor Builder. Okay, I get it. You're not forced to use these designs, so enough ranting for now. Now, overall, my website now is best suited for beginners and small businesses who value speed, simplicity, and a bit of AI convenience. If you're after advanced design freedom or enterprise level tools, it's not going to measure up. But for quick and easy site building, yeah, it hits the mark. I mean, hey, go try it yourself. Just make sure you don't overpay and grab my discount from the description. Now, another thing to check in this IONOS website builder review is performance. For website builders, performance is super important since you can optimize or change something like you can in WordPress. You have to live with what the provider offers. And I have to say, IONOS improved a lot here. It used to not be so great, to say the least. Now it delivers solid performance for small websites with fast load times and reliable uptime backed by its hosting infrastructure. So overall, it's a contender for best website builder for small business, blogs, or personal sites, though it can still struggle if there's a sudden surge in traffic. Analytics are another strong point. The Plus plan includes site analytics to track visitor behavior, while the Pro plan adds Ranking Coach for SEO support, keyword monitoring, and competitor tracking. Extras like the Success Advisor and Project Guidance dashboard make it real easy for beginners to understand what's working and where to improve. Not a lot of builders actually offer good SEO tools, so IONOS has a pretty neat advantage for beginners here. So in this IONOS review, I kept on saying words like simple and beginners over and over because that's what IONOS Web Builder is all about. And yeah, it's also insanely affordable to start out, so why not give it a try with my discount from the description. It offers everything you need to build an efficient website, and I promise it won't be difficult. Let me know in the comments how it went, and thanks for watching. See you around.